Hey fellow travelers, come along with us as we take you to our crib on the Yacht Club, room 16041. So it is a really spacious interior room. This is just like the one we had on the seashore. So it is nice side tables, and then on this side of the bed there is a USB charger, but on this side of the bed there is not. And then you've got your espresso maker, your full service mini bar, and we've got in there what we wanted. Plenty of waters, juice, Coke Zero, and they give us daily ice service, and then things up there that we did not want. And there's plenty of closet space. And then you've got your safe, 2 drawers. That one looks like a drawer, but it's not. And then you've got all of your hanging. So this is the closet is a lot more spacious than our previous closet that was at the handicap accessible room. But of course, because that was accommodating and had the rack that you could bring down, this one does not. So you've got more space. But yeah, plenty of closet room. And then the restroom. Again, a standard ship bathroom, except for it is very tiny. The last room that we had 2 weeks ago, or 3 weeks ago, we had a handicap accessible room. And that's what they assigned to us, and it was very spacious in the bathroom. So, but this is good because you can just sit here on the commode and you can brush your teeth, you can do your hair, do your makeup, whatever, and be on the toilet at the same time. And you've got your robes. So yeah, that's room 16041 on MSC Seascape. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and leave us a comment below. If you want to see more Cruis'n with Chrissy travels, stay tuned.